In this video, I'll show you how to generate reports in Zoho CRM. Alright, so here we are on the main screen of Zoho CRM, and what we're going to do is just go to the left-hand tab here, and you'll see reports. And here in reports, what we're going to do is go to the top and click on this plus icon to make a new report. And you need to select your primary module. So for this one, I think we'll do leads and just hit continue. From here, we're just going to hit continue. We don't need to add any child or modules here or parent modules. So continue on the right hand side. And now what we're going to do is we are just going to click on run so that we can run our report. And our report is done. If you want to, you can click on edit if there's any information that needs to be edited. Otherwise, you can just click on save. And here in save, we need to name our report, add a description, and lastly, select a folder. And then hit save. And that's it. That is how you generate reports in Zoho CRM. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.